Hello everyone, now we are going to discuss the next topic, that is gyroscopic effect on four-wheeler during turning. We all are having four-wheeler vehicles or cars, everything we have seen. So that means there will be a gyroscopic effect on them. Okay, when you try to turn the vehicle, you have experienced some of the effect, some of the gyroscopic effect. That means you are trying to turn on the vehicle on the left side, you will see you have to apply the force. Okay, because there will be a gyroscopic effect on the four wheels. Okay, so let us consider that IE is the moment of inertia of the engine part. Moment of inertia, we will do the numerical questions on that. Moment of inertia of engine parts, IE. Okay, IE, that is engine. Omega E would be the angular velocity or the speed of the engine in radian per second. Speed of engine. Okay, and IW is the moment of inertia of wheel, and omega W, this is the speed of wheel. Now what is the gyroscopic effect? There will be a gyroscopic couple on the engine as well as on the wheels. Okay, because both are having the speed, both are having the velocity. Okay, omega W is the speed of the wheel. Now see here, omega P, we all know that it is the angular velocity of precision, that is responsible for the direction of angular velocity, and which is responsible when the vehicle is going to be turned. That is equal to V upon R. Okay, when the vehicle are having the some velocity, linear velocity, and this R is the radius. Okay, radius of rotations, or this would be same for engine and the wheel. Remember one thing, this would be same for engine and wheel. Now we will calculate the gyroscopic couple. So gyroscopic couple on engine. Learn the formula. First case is on engine. So we know that it is equal to I omega P. It is a general formula of gyroscopic couple. Since we are discussing about the engine, so it would be CE is equal to IE omega E omega P. Okay, and if I talk about the wheel, gyroscopic couple on the wheel would be equal to CW equal to, since there are four wheels, yes or no, there are four wheels in a vehicle, so that means there will be a multiplication of four gyroscopic couple will be there, one on each wheel. So 4 IW omega W omega P. You can see here in the both the formulas that omega P is same. Okay, so this is the gyroscopic couple for engine and for the wheel. Now what would be the total gyroscopic couple? If you want to calculate the total gyroscopic couple, so that would be C, and C would be equal to CE plus minus CW. Okay, so it would be, you can add them, you can add them or subtract them. It depends on the situations. We will see IE omega E omega P plus minus 4 IW omega w omega p. Okay, this is the total gyroscopic couple. Okay, and you can take common, so it would becomes ie omega e plus minus 4 iw omega w multiply omega p. This is the total gyroscopic couple, okay, on four-wheeler during turning. So now what will the effect? See, if there are four wheels like that, so there are four wheels, you can see here. Now when you try to turn a vehicle, suppose you want to turn the vehicle like that here, so you can see here that when you try to turn this vehicle on this direction, there will be a upward forces, because these inner wheels are going to, they are having the less reaction. Okay, they are having more reactions, the outward vehicles are having more reactions. Okay, and they are having the less reaction forces. So you can see here, forces on each inner wheel will be equal to c upon 2l. Can calculate, because the unit of gyroscopic couple is Newton into meter. Okay, so sometimes they will ask you to find out the forces on wheels, so effect would be there. So the effect would be force on each inner wheels, force on each inner wheels, which would be equal to c upon 2l. Why 2? Because there are two wheels. Okay, two wheels, and there will be a upward. Okay, direction of the force would be upward. Now if I'm talking about the outer wheels, force on each outer wheels, this is also equal to c upon 2l, but the force is working in the downward direction. You can see here there will be a downward force, because these tires, these wheels are going to lift upward. I'm not saying that it is lift upward, but the reactions would be less. Okay, that means the force will be working in the upward direction, and there will be a more reactions on the ground due to these two wheels, because the vehicle is going to turn in that directions. So there will be a more forces, but it would be the direction is on the ground, that would in the downward direction. So this is considered as the gyroscopic effect. Gyroscopic effect. Okay, you need to understand this concept. Now remember these two formula for the forces. The direction is different. Okay, depends on the situations. That if it's talking about the inner wheels, there will be upward forces, and it is talking about the outer wheels, there will be downward forces. But the most important thing is, this formula you must remember. Don't forget to multiply with 4. Okay, there are 4 wheels, so you have to multiply it with force. Okay, so see, what is the plus and what is minus sign denotes? Basically, if the rotations of the engine and that means direction of the rotation of the engine and wheels are the same, that you have to consider plus sign, otherwise you have to consider minus sign. Okay, so this is the formula you must remember. So we will do the numerical questions on that. So